Love. Nice.
But how old was it when you did the tattoo?
I started using it last, so
But how old is it when you did the tattoo?
it's been around since like the last millennium.
So maybe that's when it's been that measure. There is this out there. There's a priest out there, and they need to get the information. It's legal to do that. It's illegal. With regular use, notice overlay and staging. Clear. No problem.
Patama ng currency. Note 1. Sige pa, sige pa. Sige pa lagi. Dua na lang kay step, dua ka tikang, dua kay step. Dua na lang kay step sling. Ang left. Ang right ay ang right. O, kana. Sige. Last na step. One more. Okay. Sige na. Ang imong tail sa wall, against the wall, sipa sa wall. Sige, sipa sa wall. Sige, anak. Sige, anak. Anak, sige, sipa.
Ayun, pati sa wala.
Oh.